In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your phone number in Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the dashboard. Scroll down until you find the Settings tab, and then there is going to be a drop-down menu. I want you to click on it and click the Security section. All I have to do now is look for the two-step verification, or sometimes it's two-factor authentication, and click the section that says change. Now, select the option for adding a new phone number. Click the next button. Now, type in your phone number very carefully, including the correct country code. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to confirm the change, and all I have to do is click the continue button. And what will happen is, as you can see, your new phone number has been successfully added here in Exness. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to change your phone number in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.